Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. YAJE here with another gardening video. Today's video is gonna be a short video to answer a simple question about the fluted pumpkin plants that you see right behind me, also known as ugu or okongobong. And the question is, if the ugu is yellowing, the leaves are turning yellow, what should you do? If your ugu leaves are turning yellow, it is likely because there's insufficient nitrogen in the soil. The fluted pumpkin or ugu is a heavy feeder and it needs a lot of nitrogen for it to have that deep forest green color. And the type of manure that has very high nitrogen would be poultry manure. Poultry manure is unique because it is very rich in nitrogen. You know, the chicken does not pee separately. It has the pee and the poop mixed in like one thing, right? That's why it is high in nitrogen, that urea, which is why it's perfect for the fluted pumpkin. So if your fluted pumpkin is already growing, what you should do is either make a manure tea, a poultry manure tea, where you take the poultry manure, you essentially soak it in water for about a week, and then you strain it and apply it. That one is very quickly absorbed by your ugu. I have a recipe for it. I'm going to try to remember to link to it down below, so you can check out how to make that poultry manure tea. Or what you can do is just apply the poultry manure as a top dress, like on top, which is what I'm going to do. Let me show you the poultry manure that I have. It has to be composted chicken manure. See that? Don't put raw manure on your vegetables, including the ugu. Okay, and many of you ask me where I get it from. If you are in the USA and you have like a local landscape supply store where you would go to buy mulch for your yard, where you would go to buy compost, that kind of stuff, they usually have this poultry manure. Just check around. Okay, so I'm just gonna grab a handful and put around the base of my ugu plant, just top dress. This one is growing in containers, it's all right. If you have it growing in ground, just put the outer perimeter of your container. A handful or two is plenty. You don't want to damage your plants. Just on top, and then we're gonna water that in. Guys, if this video adds value to you, don't forget to give that thumbs up. It's important. And if you have questions, share them. I'll try to make a video to answer. I figured if one person has a question, maybe many more have the same questions and they just did not ask. So that's why I'm doing this video, to answer that question. So yeah, you do this, water it in, and it should take care of the yellowing situation. Just gonna water it in now real good. Oops. Just water it in.